I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to cut or remove audio in Audacity. First, let's walk through the steps to delete an audio section in Audacity in a way that just pulls all of the audio after it forward. Step 1. Open the file in Audacity that you want to cut or remove a specific part of the audio from. Step 2. Click to highlight the section of audio that you want to remove. Step 3. Click Delete. That audio will be removed, and the audio that comes after what you deleted will be pulled forward, effectively replacing it. Now let's look at how to lift and cut a specific audio section from Audacity, which will leave you with a gap and separate audio clips. Step 1. Open the file in Audacity that you want to cut or remove a specific part of the audio from. Step 2. Click to highlight the section of audio that you want to remove. Step 3. Click Edit to open a menu, click Remove Special in the submenu, and then click either Cut and Leave Gap or Delete and Leave Gap. The only difference is that if you choose Cut and Leave Gap, you can paste the audio you cut somewhere else. That audio will be removed and you'll be left with 2 separate audio clips. Finally, I'll show you how to silence a specific audio section in Audacity. This will keep all of your audio in a single clip and leave a gap of silence where the audio you remove used to be. Step 1. Open the file in Audacity that you want to cut or remove a specific part of the audio from. Step 2. Click to highlight the section of audio that you want to remove. Step 3. Click the Silence Audio Selection icon in the menu at the top of your screen. The Silence Audio Selection icon looks like an audio wave with a gap in it. Your highlighted audio will be removed and replaced with a gap of silence. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.